1955 Chevrolet 3100 street routed pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, front disc brakes. Kind of a battleship gray, I guess, if you will. Kind of a flat gray. And then murdered out in the bright work up front, the grille, headlight surrounds, hood ornament. Cool look for a street ride in a 55 3100, no doubt about that. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see this truck from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, bed of it. Check those still pics out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Redline radials, steel wheels, little dog dish hubcaps on there. This truck was just restored 3 years ago, and paint shows well on it, as you can see. Nice shine to the paint. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that interior out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. Get into a few more details underneath the hood, but first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Great looking bed on this truck, carrying through the kind of gray and black highlights with the wood and the dividers in the bed. And then, of course, that blacked out or murdered out look in the rear bumper. Chevrolet in the black paint across the tailgate. Cool looking street rod. And once again, all those still pictures, take your time looking at them. uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician did note the brakes are 90% or better at all four corners. It also has new rear axle seals. Front end on this truck is a late model 70s front end. When we pop the hood and look underneath there, this one does have a 4-barrel on it, Quadrajet, MSD ignition, and we'll get into some more details here in just a bit when we start it up. First, if you like these mid-50s Chevy pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. You can see that paint has a nice shine reflection in it. Up and down the driver's side again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Painted to match on the interior. Now, as far as flooring, it has a nice coating on it, but if you wanted to finish this off with any sort of sound deadening, carpeting, anything like that, that can be done. Otherwise, get in and drive it like it is. Bench seat. Vinyl, a nice shape on that. Push button start. Let me show you that here in a second. Turn the key here. Has like a retro sound style radio added to it too, and that is working. Actually, good sounding radio.
Being with your parents can be embarrassing. Why would they sell jeans with holes in them?
Aftermarket gauge cluster underneath. That is working. Make sure we're in park. Push button right here. Fires up that 350 small block Chev. Dash painted to match. Looks good. Up those gauges. Yeah, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the water temp to be up. Voltmeter, oil pressure. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Mild cam to that 350. Good sounding truck. A little rumble coming out of that. All right, let me slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood real quick. Let's get the hood open and we'll check out that engine bay. All right, good look at the underside of the hood. And again, this restoration was done just 3 years ago. So this is a nice looking engine bay. There it is. 350 small block shell power. Edelbrock intake manifold. Again, Quadrajet 4-barrel. MSD ignition. Aluminum radiator, Champion. Like newer alternator. Of course, battery disconnect up here. Nice setup underneath there. Looks good. And again, paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Power steering. Be a fun street ride. Good look to it. 1951 Chevrolet 3100. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we're going to assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Chevrolet pickup truck. Got kind of a dark gray, good color motif going on with this truck. It is an automatic with a stick on the floor. You can hear a little bit of chirping that not going to affect performance at all. Speedometer working as it should. Now on our factory gauges, the fuel gauge is showing almost a full tank. The rest of the gauges, I would look down below where the volts show 14.5. The water shows almost 180. And the oil pressure is showing almost 50 pounds. A little bit of shake from one of the tires, that could be a flat spot from sitting, as these vehicles are parked for longer periods of time sometimes. A little bit of slack in the steering as well. That's definitely expected from this era truck. Both our turn signal indicators work. Very well done. Bench seat, vinyl, with the gray to match the paint scheme in this truck. Retro sound style radio in the dash. That is working. Brakes also working as they should. Really like the boards in the bed, kind of a dark gray wood stain to match the truck. Gives a really good look to this truck. And of course the 55 Chevy. Yet again, one of those trucks that as I'm driving it, I'll say it's my favorite style Chevy truck. Acceleration is good. Automatic transmission is shifting very well. Very cool looking, different looking 55 Chevy truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this vehicle at UniqueClassicCars.com.